saying that the Iranians want a solution, through diplomacy, but not a surrender. Which, do you think that America or the Trump administration is going to be okay with that? With the kind of history and the recent events that we've seen, and what he's known for. What is your take on this?
Iranians are always willing to have some kind of cooperative relationship with everyone, especially with the West. They want to have these sanctions to be resolved. Want to have that long-term solution for the domestic problems like economy, like inflation, and all other things. But the problem is that three conditions which have been presented to Iran, and my personal take is that they have been presented to Iran. These all three are the red line for Iran. So over the negotiation table, these are going to be rejected, as Iran has told that they are not going to roll back their ballistic program, and their allies in the region are their allies, and they are not going to abandon them. And the third one is enriched uranium. So Iran has agreed to talk about that, the uranium thing, but not to roll back the entire their nuclear program. So they want to have this nuclear program for peaceful purposes, for electricity, for cancer patients, for cancer isotopes, and etc. So these three conditions are presented to Iran because Iran is not going to to take them, to have them. So